here we go again, guys. We have the runners question. We had 12 runners that ran 1/4 of a mile, okay? So 12 different runners, each ran 1/4 or 1/4 of a mile. Okay, again, we're going to do this with models. Okay, I have drawn out 12 fraction strips, and I've divided them into fourths. Notice they're not all the same size, and it doesn't really matter what they look like. Don't make them too perfect, as long as you know that you have them divided into 4 parts. That's what matters. We have fourths that we're working with. So that's why we have it divided in 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, all of them. Okay, but notice I have one of them shaded in each of the boxes, okay? Each fraction strip has 1 out of 4 shaded to match our 1/4 fraction. Okay, now I have 12 of them because that's how many runners we have. I have 6 on this side and I have 6 on this side, okay? So this is just an easy way for our brains to see what exactly we're doing here, okay? So now the question is, how many total miles did these runners run? We know that they all ran 1/4. Okay, this is the distance that one runner ran. But our answer is our total miles. Okay, so if we're finding our total, we obviously know that we're going to combine all of these fourths. Now, how do we do this? The easiest way to do it is to recognize how many parts would make a whole. If we're working with fourths, how many of these would have to be shaded in for it to be a whole? And the answer to that would be 4, right? We have 1 shaded in. We need 1, 2, 3 more to shade it in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and group our 1, 2, 3, 4 fraction strips together. And once they're grouped together, you can think of it like this. We're crossing these out, and we're taking that 1, 2, 3 and adding it to that fraction strip, okay? So now we have 4/4, or 1 whole, which really means 4 runners to make 1 mile, okay? Let's continue on. We have 2 here, 2 here. So we need to combine those 2 with these 2 down here. Same thing. We have 4/4 or 1 mile. Okay, let's see what we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 more left. We're going to group them together. You can think about it like this if it helps. Color them back in. Now I have another 4/4, which is equal to 1 mile. Yes? So now I have 1, 2, 3 miles. Okay, another way to look at it is, let's see, let's do 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So our answer here is, how many total miles were ran by these runners? And our answer is 3 miles.